Presenting a pre-owned 2015 Mini. This two-door hatchback has a 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter i3 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Mini has less than 67,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city, and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include cold weather package, premium package, air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, window defogger, moonroof, roof rails, and heated front seats. Call 401-885-5355 to schedule a test drive and learn about our guaranteed financing options. Come in and see why we were awarded Dealer of the Year for 3 consecutive years in a row.